Actually, I'm not even trying to pronounce that, but I think that's right. And they look identical to the ones that were on there before. So very likely they are the same exact manufacturer. But these ones, I don't see any branding on them. So, gonna put those on. Okay, so we got both those heat shields back on. I was able to tighten them back up. I essentially just, these are like rivets on either side here. So I just put those in a vise and they snugged up really good. I also spaced this out like with 2 washers. And so it's not gonna touch this anymore because I think that might have been some of the rattling that we were having.